You're too tired for a dance in the kitchen. Goodbye kisses and the vibe Vans kicks in. Stay 1 minute before I start to miss you. You tell me I'm sweet, but I'm always a lie. Married to me, try to loosen the knot. I don't wanna be a good time and an afterthought. Now I'm wondering,
where yet is this all leave us? Loving you wasn't my idea of a good time, but yeah, we had a good time. Where yet is this all leave us? Loving you wasn't my idea of a good time, but yeah, we had a good time. The love ain't lost, I got my fingers crossed. The love ain't lost, I got my fingers crossed. And if you want, no need to talk. The love ain't lost, I got my fingers crossed.
and now you're adding something strong to your lemonade. Passing these days in the Palisades. All of my worries gonna fade away, pulling you in like a holiday. And I was all smiles cause you wanted to take a little trip out to Malibu. Sunset on the water in the rear view. Damn, I guess I'm really stuck being in love with you.
Where yet is this all leave us? Loving you wasn't my idea of a good time, but yeah, we had a good time. Where yet is this all leave us? Loving you wasn't my idea of a good time, but yeah, we had a good time. The love ain't lost, I got my fingers crossed. The love ain't lost, I got my fingers crossed. And if you want, no need to talk. The love ain't lost, I got my fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
Hey, it's been quite a while since I've seen you smile. Take time for yourself, or say it's good to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together for now or forever. Yeah, baby, it's on tonight. 'Cause life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody, everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. One more again. Hey, you don't need to blame the guilt or the shame. You see, sometimes we all just need to learn the hard way to stop looking down, to turn it around. You just turn up the sound. Sing with me, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together for now or forever. Yeah, baby, party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody, everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Dance floor tonight. Cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Dance floor tonight. Cause the world is a dance floor tonight.
If I could hear you cry from here, I would crash through this atmosphere. No common stars or satellites could ever stop this speed of light. But truth be told, I flew away, watched your wings unfold. Can you hear me back on earth? I float up here, I think I found the stars of heaven looking down when all I need is you. I've been dreaming on a galaxy so far away from you and what we used to be. But I'm coming home, I'm coming home to love you to infinity, yeah. If I could hear you cry from here, I'd leave this just to have you near. If I could see your eyes from here, I'd fill the sky with light so I could lose this fear. I've been dreaming on a galaxy so far away from you and what we used to be. But I'm coming home, I'm coming home.
Still in Labonnevie with my friend Susanna, but she doesn't want to be on the camera. Again, repetition. Skål Susanna.
Skål Stella.
Gin and tonic.
Gin and tonic in the afternoon.
Yeah,
Or in the
afternoon.
early evening.
Early evening.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
We need
Cheers.
some medicine.
Yeah, some medicine. For better humor. better mood. Better mood. Now we are getting silly, talking like this. Cheers, guys. Better mood. Yeah, definitely. Yes. If anybody drinking right now with me, cheers. And I wish you на здоровье. It's still now nice evening with my friends, and later I'm going to quiz. I'm gonna take a little bit there, so I'm not going to say goodbye, but subscribe and like, and see you soon. No, see you in the quiz a little bit. I'm gonna take video there. Okay guys, I decided that the quiz is gonna be the next video. Now I'm gonna say to you, thank you guys watching me, walking in the park, harbor, near labonnevie, and with my friends Susanna and other friends you haven't seen, but don't forget subscribe and like, and see you in the next video. This video complete. Complete.